welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diamond, and in today's video I'm going to be giving y'all a lash application tutorial. I've had quite a few of my friends like give me compliments saying that I apply my lashes so well and how do I do it and this, that, and the third. So I was like, why not film and show the public, the world, how I do it. It's pretty simple, but lashes is one of those things where it looks simple, but actually doing it yourself is like, you know, rocket science. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for beginners and those who just want to learn what I do. So yeah, if you want to find out how I get these lashes to look so natural and the whole, you know, shebang, then keep on watching. Okay, so first we have to pick the lash, and I have a pretty, you know, nice selection here, but let's do something random. Okay, like eeny, meeny, miny, whatever. It's just okay. I've already worn these lashes before, but an important first step when getting a new pair of lashes is to cut them to your eye shape. It may be too long and they're gonna be like drooping like down here, and that's not the wave. That's not the look we're going for. So I'm gonna show you how to cut them. Alright, so for example, if I were to cut these, I would cut them for the outer edge of my eye, not the inner, because you're gonna lose that natural shape. So I would cut from here and onward if need be, but these already fits in my eye. But yeah, remember, you would cut from the outward part, not inward. Alright? Alright. And the lash glue I use is this Duo lash glue. It's the black one. It smells like lobster pussy, but it works. So I take just a little bit. Oh, it's not focusing. But just a little bit. And I apply a thin layer, honey. Do you see how thin of a layer it is? Well, if you can't, it's a new channel, so you have to deal with it. But just apply a thin layer, spread that bitch out, something like that. And I always have a fan next to me, so I just put it in front of the fan until it turns a dark color, and then we're gonna be ready to apply. See, when it turns dark like this, it's ready to apply. Okay, so this part's gonna be really hard for me to film, but let's see how this goes. So the main trick that I learned for myself that made it easy for lash application is having a handheld mirror. This helps because when I look down at, you can't even see. When I look down at it, I can like see myself, but my eyes are fully down. You know what I mean? I hope I can film this properly. Okay, let's see. Y'all get the idea, right? You don't have to see the mirror. Like, y'all know I'm looking down at the mirror, right? Okay, whatever. So, I'm looking down, but my eyes are open, so I see what the fuck I'm doing. But my lid is completely down. And you have to aim for the lowest part of your lash line. Don't put it on your eyelashes unless you don't care about them and you want to be like this all night. Go for the lowest part of your skin, hunty. All right? Watch and learn. So I'm looking down, but my eyes are open. And I'm just placing it like that. Right on the lowest part. Not on my lashes, but on my lash line. And I'm squeezing. Once I get the lash into place, I'm squeezing it with my natural lashes so it blends together. Feel me? Know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? And y'all, please do not beat yourself up. Like, lashes is one of those things that takes a minute. Like, you either get it or you don't. Like, when I first started, it deadass took me, I think, close to a year to do it by myself. But it's like riding a bike. Like, once you learn how to do it, you just remember what you do and just keep doing it. You know what I mean? Alright, So I'm just squeezing my lashes together with the falsies. And yeah, I have a little bit of glue on my lid, but child, this is just for, you know, the purpose of showing y'all. You see like how close we got it to the lash line and how it looks natural. The trick is just having a handheld mirror, looking down so you can see like what you're doing, but your eye is completely down so you have full access to get, you know, to the bottom part of your shits. And voila, there you have it. I applied the other one off camera and this is how they look. I got them really close to the lash line and I think they look great. So thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope it was helpful. Like, my setup is really ratchet and I'm not able to film things the way I want to yet, but you know, it's a new channel, so you kind of signed up for that when you clicked on the video, right? But anyways, let me know what kind of content you want to see from me, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and peace out. Bye.